Okay, two beats. I am back. I am back, and I am tired. I have started cooking. I'm cooking collard greens, cornbread, neck bones, rice, and deviled eggs. And you know it's not Thanksgiving yet, but my guy wanted it, so I went on ahead and cooked it. He loved greens, so I went on ahead and started cooking some greens. So I felt like, hey, why not go ahead and cook more sides with it. So that's what I done. So I'm going to take you in the kitchen with me to show you what I have done. And I'm not finished because I think I said deviled eggs. I'm making deviled eggs as well. So come along, let me show you guys what I done. Okay, as you can see, yes, I got my meat going. Let me turn this light on because it's dark. And my bread. I got more greens in here. That's my bread. And here go my eggs. My devil eggs. See, I have more greens. I have one already cooked, and I'm about to cook another one for myself. Those are his. Because, you know, greens starting to come in a little small package, you know. So, I cooked his personal ones, and I like onions and stuff like that in mine, and he don't like onions. And neck bones. Those are my bones. And he don't eat neck bones. So with that being said, I have to cook them devil eggs in a few minutes. I am tired. I ate breakfast late and oh boy. I just ate breakfast and it's like 1:30, 1:45 and just taking my medicine. Oh, so I am tired. And not only that, we went grocery shopping. I said I was going to take you guys along, but I didn't. So don't pay those gifts no attention. Those gifts going outside. They just empty boxes. And I'm going to put some lights on them. That's what I'm going to do. But hey, yeah. I'm looking at this new movie. Oh, I can show it to you guys. If you can see it, called Claws. It's on Netflix. Let me stop. What did I do? Oh boy. Okay. Back on Netflix. Claw. Play from the beginning. Y'all look at my naked walls. Look at my naked wall. This here, I have something on these. In my stairways. But my naked wall. But I'm gonna get to it. Put pictures up. I was gonna go shopping tomorrow for pictures, but can't. Have to go with Guy to his VA appointments. So I'm not able to go tomorrow. Because he don't know the way. He don't know the way. This is a story about letters. It began with this one. Oh, I gotta sweep again. But this is a new movie, just came out. Netflix cartoon, Christmas. And I think I should wait till tonight to watch it. But I'm so excited to look at it. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Watch it tonight. I'm gonna turn it off. Get my half piece of the glasses. They broke. They are broke.
That's for him, sir.
I need them so I can see what I'm looking at on Netflix. Okay, I'll stop this. I'll look at this tonight. What else on? The Nutcracker. Seen the Nutcracker. The Grinch. I finished Green Eggs and Ham. Episode 1. How many more episodes? I think they made so many episodes. Season 1 trial. Heck, look like I don't see them all. Okay, let's find something else. Let's find something else. Daybreak. I want to look at Christmas stuff. The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Santa Claus. Okay, I can look at this. I can look at this. I wish my grandkids was here to celebrate. Not just to celebrate Christmas, but I'm so used to them being with me around the holidays. I really am. They help me with my tree, my decoration. Wow. I put my tree up by myself. Decorated by myself.
Listen, kid. I've been around a few Christmases. It's true.
No way.
I swear on my life.
All 9 of them?
Yes.
Oh well. I'm about to look at this movie. I'll be back later on.
Here's his claws.
Alright.
The voice so big.
Oh.
Peace. Look at my hand. I have a cramp in my hand. Oh, we need to go away.
We've already discussed this. Christmas is just something marketed by companies to sell toys and other items they have to make.
I gotta go massage my hand.